my first ever mastermind in my coaching business in my 2 years of my journey. Before going to context of masterminds, if you're in this coaching business, you're already running some kind of online business, you might have heard there is a term called mastermind where uh, certain people in one industry get together and share their thoughts, what's happening in their mind, how's the business going, and just different kind of brains come together who are doing big in the industry. That's called a mastermind. So I'm really excited to share it was like for me, especially being a little kid from a little village of India and hanging out with these kind of people who are doing 50k, 80k, 100k a month online in New York. It was a totally different life-changing experience for me. So I'm gonna take you through a little bit of journey, how it went, how if you're looking towards doing your own masterminds, things like that. I want to share my journey and you to go. This is a picture of we had a dinner together, and Jacob Karras is here, Flip Moss, Nate Ryan, a lot of people are here, Justice and Casey. You might have heard about these names as well if you're in this Facebook space. These guys are doing big numbers, so got a chance to meet these guys as well. And let's get ahead. And the best part was I first time went to New York from last 6 year when I came to Canada about 6 years ago. I have traveled to California, I have traveled to Seattle all the time, but never gone to the East Coast. So a totally different experience going to New York. Had totally different kind of people there, and made a lot of good connections too. And something I noticed, guys, like we as when we are in the beginning stages, what we only want is money. You're focusing on money. Definitely money is great, that's why we are working, that's why making you know growing in life, right? Money is important, but one thing I would I can say with guarantee, people on top are more focused on the relationships because they have the money, but the only thing they are really focused on is the aspect of good relationship they can grow with, collaborating on the bigger level. So that was one thing I noticed, like that was a totally different mindset I got. And if someone in at the beginning stage can get that kind of mindset and building that kind of relationship and nurturing that kind of relationship, they will get totally different trajectory, totally different. So let's go next. This is we met a little hotel like Arlo Soho. So everyone is here, like Jacob Karras shared something. He created a little slide with us, like was his planning for 2024 and how everything is going. So we able to share our thoughts on it, and a lot of people jived in that okay, this is what I'm doing, this is what I'm doing, and we get to have like a full table uh, talk that how we like if so imagine this, if you're making $20,000 a month right now and someone is making $50,000 a month, who is the best person to ask if you want to go to $50,000 a month? The person who is doing that right now. So there are a lot of different brains, like a lot of people are in this coaching space, so we jived on that, our thoughts, our what's going on right now. So this is the Times Square. Had so much fun here, like totally different vibe. We don't have anything like that on the West Coast in Vancouver, so just loved it. I met a friend from Surrey here, so that was pretty crazy. Like we like acquaintance, not a friend, but we met there. We just roamed around New York. Like it's pretty fun. Then the Empire State Building. I really wanted to see this Empire State Building, and Jacob Karras recommended me this restaurant called Monarch Rooftop. So we sit at the rooftop, had some drinks with my friends, and this was the view that was amazing. And then we met Jacob Karras the same day as well. So had a one-on-one conversation as well. So just there's some drinks, some business talk, some life talk. And guys, one thing I want to share, man, like if you want to grow in this business, if you are in the business for the long haul, focus on the people who align your values. Definitely there are people who are making million a month. Definitely there are people who are making 2 million a month. But if they are not aligned with your values, it's you you will burn out. You will burn out pretty soon. So meeting Jacob Paris, it was like big reminder for me, like why I choose to be with this coach, this guy for the long haul. So makes a big difference. uh, Statue of Liberty. This was like a little childhood dream as well. So I talked with my friend as well. Like, I have always wanted to do that, go to that lady who is holding the fire, and finally that wish came true, and uh, learned about this place and how this statue is sitting here, things like that. So that was really fun. That's all. The pictures are done, but that was a totally different experience, guys. Once you're building online, that's great. We are making connections online, but when you meet the same people you are working with years with, it's a totally different experience. So uh, end of the video, I would like to say, if you get a chance to be in a mastermind of any kind, even if you have to pay, we don't have to pay for this, because it was like a little meetup, like an inner circle meetup. Jacob Karras had this program called Inner Circle, and it was a little meetup, and we don't pay it. But I would say, like, I have spent even spend money on on paid events as well. So it's always worth it. It's always, even if it's $1,000 $2,000, the return is not even 10x 3x, it's like 50x. So that makes a big difference. And these are like a big for me, because like 2024 is coming. I From meeting these guys, I got a whole new vision for my business. A lot of big things are coming, so get excited for that. Spots are open for November for one-on mentorship. This month we already done with one. There's just two more. So if you are interested in working with the one-on-one, how we can build your coaching or affiliate business to $20,000 a month without sales call, and building that MMR, monthly recurring revenue, feel free to reach out, and we can talk. We can hopefully you can talk and understand what you're doing, and hopefully scale your business to 20K a month and above. Have a great day, guys, and bye bye.